Hello everyone, my name is Farid and welcome back to the Artian Automotive channel. This Kia Stinger belongs to one of my very good customer, and then he dropped it off for some correction on the body paint and redo some wrap. The first job is we need to refresh the front bumper and repair some rock chip on a front lip and repaint the whole bumper. We got very old wrap, so I will remove him and put the new wrap to make it fresh. A similar job to the side mirrors I have to do for the top window mold. They're really tough and old to make the car looks ugly. So those window molds needs to refreshen up again. Car has the moonroof, which is the half the roof is black and half is silver as the rest of the body. So I will wrap the roof in black to make it match with the glass, include the rails and antenna, plus the side molds. They've been faded by the sun. This plastic gonna be wrapped in black as well. Paint condition overall is good, but under the sun, as you see the dot, it has this some light scratches around. Depends on some panels. They got a medium to heavy soil mark, which is we need to make a 4-stage cut and polish and paint correction to get rid of these scratches and bring the car back to the showroom finish. Even rear bumper molding, they got scratches and needs the attention and cut and polish. And the last one, I will apply the paint protection film over the headlight lens. If you like this kind of content, please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support. bumper has more rock chip that I expected. So I thought it's only just the bottom part, but it's the side, all the edges, they got lots of rock chip. So I start to sand it with the 400 grit with the orbital sander and smoothen out with 800. I continued with the 600 grit. After the 600 finish, so I do sanding with the 800 grit with the back pad sponge for this to make it smooth. Our system primer is a 50-50 mixture of the primer and the hardener. So I make it a little bit more thicker to mix 3 to 1, 3 primer and 1 part hardener to make it a little bit thicker to fill up the holes. Just mix. Alright, the primer is ready. I apply it with the low pressure of the air to not making too much dust, plus to spray it a bit thicker. I'm not spraying the whole bumper, just area that it has the rock chip, wood needs to fill it up with the primer. And then we need to leave it for a couple of hours and then sand it. The area that I apply the primer is already dried, so I started sanding down with 400 and then after that with 600 and finish it by 800. So the preparation is done. There is no more rock chip on the bumper. And the final sanding is finished. I washed it and ready for paint. So before painting, I will mask it off the grill and side vent. Now I want to start to do the cut and polish, and I use my jack to raise the car up to have a better access for the lower spots on the doors, side skirt, and the rear bumper. And I use my big block light for cut and polish. Make sure all the area is covered by the film.